Ka Indira Gandhi National Open University IGNOU Special Study Center jangka Khasi Jaintia Presbyterian Synod kala pelong ya ka jingelang belatip kum ka July session 2000 khatsan ha IGNOU Study Center Synod Supermarket Shillong hakaba unok ai boit barang ba ka Sarkar Meghalaya Dr. Didi Lapang ulawan banlong kum kongsan u Dr. Didi Lapang habakren kum kongsan hagani ka jingelang ula penken mau ba ka IGNOU ka dei ka wei na ki school ba ne ka university bahe du ha ka perthai ya ka balaseng house name kat kandais ba proportion hadien ka jingklat no jangka menteri rang ba barem ka India ka Indira Gandhi shoshu ula ai ka jingero ru ya ka jingeseng samla KGP assembly halor ka jingtri stom jongki nadu ba kilas dang ya ka IGNOU special study ha usnam 8000 tat adu menta ka balasei ya shibun ki samla pulie ba kin beteng ya ka jing pulie jongki ya ka jingelang la penya du Reverend LD Nongsiej chairman ka board of youth center ha ka jingedan rangkat u project director ka KJPIT u teman basan Raji u coordinator IGNOU teman basan T Maulong u secretary board of youth center teman basan RSAM bat kiwei kentup ru ya ki saus patam ki samla pulie badang thamai.
There is a saying, whatever man has done, man will. Some great men come from deep poverty, while you, your friends. The only question, do you dare to win? Number two, do you have the will to win? Now, there's a big challenge. Long Monday, now do come long of a jump. Kim type but one. Long market first 1, 2, 3. Saturday, duck. It's not. I think type the one. And then they can put show you on but many job will be there. Kim type not, but not. You'll fail. But if you really want to decide to do, you'll do it. You'll win it. Nobody will snatch away success from you. Because they say success is the property of the man who wants to succeed.